Python request library is always blocking your I/O communication because it cannot run asynchronously. Moreover, it don't support new HTTP2 protocol. We have plenty of modern asynchronous libraries you can use in your projects, but request still has almost 100 million downloads per week. In this video, I will show you how to replace it and potentially boost performance of your web clients, sometimes even 4 or 5 times. The code itself will tell you more than my speaking, so let's jump straight to VS Code. First example with requests. I am sending GET request to arbitrary website, and perf counter is just for time counting. Let's run it. It took almost 0.6 seconds. Now let's switch to HTTPX, which supports asynchronous calls. The rest of the code is exactly the same. We are sending the same GET request using the same perf counter, but this function is asynchronous, so we need async io.run to run this function. And let's try it. Time taken, it's slightly faster, but you can say it's similar. But the magic happens when your goal is to send multiple calls at the same time. Let's go back to sync script and add simple loop for in range, let's say 30. Now run the sync code again. It took almost 16 seconds. The code is literally 30 times slower because calls are executing one after another. It's terrible performance. Now I will add the same loop in async client in range 30 in HTTPX. And this code with HTTPX made the same amount of requests and did it almost 4 times faster. This improvement is huge. So main question, why so much people still uses request library? First, they are not aware that handy asynchronous solutions exist and can be more powerful. Second, in some apps, cutting couple seconds from function runtime is not a big deal. And third, it's harder to write asynchronous code. Requests need literally one line to run and it's super convenient. Nevertheless, I highly recommend you to play around with async clients. Huge amount of modern system is running asynchronously, so trust me that this skill is super useful. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you soon.